Guys, it's me, Scratch Out 2, and today we will be doing Online Adventure Game Part 2. So, as you can see, Scratch has updated. You know, it has the color mode now. I also have Scratch add-ons, so that's how I can do this dark mode and stuff. But yeah, everything looks way much more cooler than it did before. So yeah, all my blocks, all my buttons here are on this side. So yeah, I turned on dark mode because I don't really want it to strain my eyes, you know. So now let's move on to level progression. As you can see, last episode I made this a basic level. So let me just move this here. There you go. And then duplicate this to 2, just flip horizontal. Bam. So I'll just do this. Okay, let's make a new variable called level for all sprites. Also, let's delete the my variable. Set level to 1. And then we forever switch costume to level. Wait. I just realized we need to, we switch costume to level. Because sometimes you might want to go up and down. So instead of 1, we'll go do 0, 1 and 0, 2. This will be which X and Y level we're on. It also be the second digit will be the X. So I'm gonna just have we should do it up to. Okay, I just move it down. Set. Okay, there you go. But instead of 0, 2, I'm gonna put 1, 2 because we moved up, so you have to add it. There you go. So let's go to player sprite. Let's see, when I receive costume, that's right here. So let's make a block. Let's make a block called set level to level, and then at x x y y. Without screen refresh. Okay, that. So level to level. Okay. So first we set our level to level. Let's go to x y. Go to x x and y y. And for now, we're just gonna add this broadcast. Oh wait, no, we don't need to broadcast. So now let's add our ifs. So if our x position is greater than, which means we're like right here. So once we're like right here, so once our x position is greater than 210, then we set level to, let's get a join block and then letter on both sides. Now let's take letter 1 of level and then letter 2 of level plus 1. So this basically would change our level by 1. Let's see how that looks. At x, y, so we want to set our y back to our y position. And we set our x to negative 210, so we appear right back here. So let's see how this goes. Yep. We just moved back here, so let's duplicate this. If x position is less than negative 210, so we set to join level 1 of level 2 of level minus 1, and then we sum on at 210. This will let us move back and forth. There we go. So we should be able to, we can move back and forth now. Let me just edit my hitbox. Okay. Yep, we can move through here. So, but now we want to move up and down. So let's duplicate this whole thing. So let's see, when I'm like right here, when our y position is greater than 160. So let me just pause this. 160. So let's switch these. So instead letter 2 of level, but letter 1 of level plus 1 at x, our x position, and y we're going to set to negative 160. And then what's less than, and when our y position less than negative 160, we do the same thing, except instead of letter 1 of level plus 1, we do minus 1, and we set our x position and our y to 160. So let's see that now. Yep. Wait, one sec. Oh, when our y position was less than 160. Okay, now I can move up and down. So let me just add a few more places to my level. Okay, and then we'll make it 1, 3. You can hold shift to just drag it vertically or horizontally. So I'm just gonna do this, and then bam. Let me try that now. I gotta wait for it to load, you know, to check if there's anyone online. Oh, looks like we have, oh yeah, because here we need to set, instead of 0, instead of 1, we need to set to 0, 1. There we go. So now if we move up here, just make sure everything's working right. Yep. So now we can move through our levels. Now we want to make an inventory for our next episode. So we will make a list called inventory for our sprites. So when green flag clicked, delete all of inventory, so that we always start off with a fresh brand new inventory. Now let's make a new item sprite. So I'm going to make I'm just gonna make, actually no, I'm going to do an apple. So let's go to the, so just go to food, apple here. Okay, the apple has finished loading. Oh, that is a big apple. Let me just reduce the size. That's too small. There we go. Okay, our apple looks fine. So when green flag clicked, now I've made so many tutorials about creating clones and items and stuff, so let me just do it again. So create item, item at XY level. I'm gonna file script fresh. So in green flag click, we hide. Yeah. So when we create an item, go to XY, switch costume to the item, and then we already did XY, so now level. Taking variable called level for this sprite only. Set level to level. Create clone myself. And yeah, now all my other episodes I put a set level to the empty value, but here we don't need to do that, because instead of using a broadcast, we're going to use what I start as a clone, so only the clones will use it, so we don't need to start a level to anything. So let me just create an apple right here. Now 165. Wait, no. Apple at negative 165. Negative 115. Level 01. When I start as a clone forever. Let's add an if else. If the level for all sprites is equal to the level for this sprite only, then we show, because that means we're supposed to be there, else we hide. Now let's grab another what I start as a clone hat block. So now We repeat until we are touching the player. We just change Y by, oh yeah, I made an animation video about how to like move sprites up and down the screen and like doing costume changing that. So yeah, you can watch that so that you can make this animation, or you could just look at this right now. So then once we touch player, add our costume name to inventory, and then we delete this clone, but let's just add some like disappearing animation. So repeat 10 and looks, change ghost effect by 10. So like if we do that right now, it should look like that. Yep. Let's just clear graphic effects. Oh my god, that is going so high. One sec. Okay, there you go. I should add a loading screen soon. So if we collect it, and then we show our inventory. In fact, let's allow us to be able to show our inventory. When I key pressed, so we show list inventory, wait until not key I pressed, and then we hide list inventory. There we go. So now when we press the I key, it'll show it, it'll wait until it's not pressed, and then boom. So now when we hold I, we should be able to see our inventory, but I'm going to change it to E so that it's easier to do it. Okay, so now when we start, we have an empty inventory. We have this apple right here. We still have a lot of time, so how about we add our ability to so let's just add some health. Now I have a health bar in here somewhere. Oh, this is sprint bar. One sec, health bar. Okay, so I'll go to player. Okay, yeah, so health divided by max health. So here we set max health to 100, and we set health. Wait, no, we set health to max health. Oh, that is way up. How about just 40? There we go. So now we have this health bar. If we set our health to 50, change health by -1. Yeah, you can see that. Repeat 10. And we can repeat another 10. Okay, so now let's add the health, like the code that will make us end the game if our health is low. So if health is less than 1, we stop all. Our health is already less than 1. Why did AI not just put 0? Well, because let's say let's say you were in a game that had enemies in it, right? So each enemy, whenever it touches you, it makes you lose 1 health. So let's say there's 2 enemies and you had 1 health left. If they both touch you, it'd be -1, right? And that's not 0, so it wouldn't kill you. But when you do less than 1, -1's less than 1, so it's always gonna work as long as it's depleted. So yeah. So what are we gonna do with the apple, you ask? Well, we're gonna save that for next episode. But anyways, Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share as it helps the channel. Hit that notifications bell. Have a wonderful day.